Steven, a salon guy here. Today we're talking about cheating at your haircut and how to actually get away with it. Here's the first scenario. Your hair always flops down and you want your hair to look like it's got more volume on top, but you don't want to get a haircut and you're just frustrated. Here's how you cheat this haircut. What you want to do is take a little bit of water and spray it throughout the sides, and you don't want to get the top really too wet at all. A little bit, but really want to focus on getting those sides a little more damp. And you want to start brushing the hair back. Brush the hair back like this, brush the hair back like this, and then when the top is still fairly dry, what you're going to do is you're going to comb it straight back like that. And what that's doing, it's creating an illusion that you have fuller hair on top because this is slicked back and this is a bit more dry. So there you go, you've got a little more volume. So you normally wear your hair in a very edgy, kind of cool way, but you're going for a job interview. And you know that they may look at you differently because of how you go in with your hair. Unfortunately, it happens. You don't want to get a haircut, you like the way your hair looks, but what can you do to make your hair look a bit more sophisticated and not so overwhelming to somebody? Well, what you want to do is you want to take the hair and you want to reverse the shape by bringing this back off your face, and you're going to use your hands to really kind of sculpt it in place. And then what you're going to do is you're going to focus on pushing the sides a bit down and back in through this area right here. And we're going to utilize our hands and then a little bit of hairspray. So what we're doing is we're opening this up right in through here. We're creating some volume. You can actually use your hands to tease it a little bit right through here. There you go. So we're getting a little bit of hair off their face. And the key is to really just molding this down this way. And you're kind of matting it down a little bit. I know it sounds a little bit wild because you're matting the hair. You don't really think that you'd want to mat it, but you're really sculpting and shaping. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use a little bit of hairspray. We're going to keep that hair off the face and we're going to spray this back a little bit like that. And we're going to just kind of lightly push down this way. We're going to spray the top down and we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to bring this back, spray it, and just really kind of mold it and push it down closer to your head. So now what we've done is completely created a much more professional look. And don't worry about how certain areas look, because when you're interviewing and you're talking to people, they're looking right here at the front. Lastly, you have a job interview. You need a haircut, but you don't have the time and you're afraid that your hair looks way too long and you're not sure what to do with it. So here's what we're going to do. So anytime the sides are brushed back and down a little closer towards the head, what it does is it actually creates an illusion that it's shorter. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus right into these areas, right into here first, by just kind of lightly wetting them down with a spray bottle. Then you can take a brush and we're going to brush this all back like this. And we're going to comb it into a nice kind of side part style, because the side part, again, it's creating an illusion. And instead of having the hair straight down, what this part is doing is actually breaking up the solid look that this has right through here. Then you're going to take a little bit of hairspray. And again, you want to really mat these sides down a little bit. I don't want to say plaster, but yeah, you're kind of plastering the sides, because again, anytime the hair is closest to the head, what does it do? It looks shorter. So we're cheating this hairstyle by simply narrowing the sides down through here, and then we'll spray a little bit throughout the top here, and we're creating a side part to make it look a bit more professional. But this is how you cheat your hair to make it look like you got a fresh haircut. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I know it was kind of a fun, interesting topic, you know, cheating your way, but you can cheat the haircuts by just simply changing up how you style it and creating new looks that may appear to be differently than what they are. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.